Real estate question.
Okay.
With selling property or a house and with the internet and everything at your fingertips, why do we need a title search company and have to pay them for something you could probably do online?
Don, there is no way you could do that online. Don, when you buy and sell a piece of property, it is customary that there is a title insurance policy. It is customary that that title insurance policy is paid for by the seller. It's for the benefit of the buyer. It's going to ensure to the buyer that the buyer has good title to this piece of property, free and clear from all defects, mortgages, liens, forgeries, you name it. So there is no way that a buyer in the state of Florida is going to be buying a piece of property without title insurance. And you as a seller, layman, you don't have the ability to write a title insurance policy. So I hate to burst your bubble there, Don, but have I made myself clear on that?
Pretty much.
Now, Don, if that really, if
you bought property, say within the past 10 years, and you went through all that before, why wouldn't that still hold up?
Well, first of all, you can use that prior policy to get a discount. So when you bought the property, your seller paid for a title insurance policy for you. When you turn around and sell it these years later, if you show that policy to your new title company, when you sell it, they will give you a discount. So find that policy, Don, and show it to your title company when you turn around and sell it. Now, why do you need to have a new title policy? Because the title policy you got 10 years ago ensures good title to you through the date of your purchase. And when you sell it, now 10 years later, a new title search needs to be done to search this gap to see what you've done with the piece of property during your ownership, whether you put mortgages on it or there's judgment liens against you or construction liens against you, or these days they're even checking for open permits. So is that clear to you, Don?
Correct, yeah.
Now, Don, if you said, hey, no way I'm paying for an owner's title insurance policy when I sell this piece of property, hey, there's no law that says that you, the seller, have to pay for it. You can certainly try and push that onto the buyer. But another more practical way to do it would be to get a quote on what that owner's policy is. Let's just say that the owner's title policy insurance is $3,000. Just factor that in the back of your mind that I need to make sure that I put an extra $3,000 on that purchase price to cover this owner's title insurance policy.